Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do another haul slash unboxing video because I just got a box ship from YESSTYLE. I bought some stuff for the new year, so I'm gonna open this up and let's see what in there with me. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. I bought a few things, so I will show you guys what it is right now. It's already been home a few days, but I don't have time to really film a video, so I just left it there. Hopefully I got everything in here. Oh, this is a dress. So basically I have I ordered a dress from YESSTYLE. It's actually go with a set, but the set is include the dress and the blazer outside. So I already kind of have a blazer this color, so I decided to just buy this dress itself. But I didn't see it was too big. So the dress is like this. It's kind of thick. See the dress? So it's like a spaghetti strap dress. I don't know if it's gonna fit me well, but I'll try it on, and I guess I use it with my blazer kind of for this new year. So this is the very first item I bought from YESSTYLE. I know YESSTYLE is kind of a Vietnamese website where you buy and you don't really know exact size. Sometimes it will be too small because their size is different from US size. So it's just like a 50-50 chance. This is like a receipt of everything that I bought. Next one that fell off is this eyelashes. It's a Chinese brand. It's like a very cute natural lashes. I just tried and put it on lashes like the very first time last 2 weeks ago, and then I feel like wow, the single lashes that you put underneath your natural lashes is way easier than the one full big one, and then you put it on top of your lash. So I decided to get this one more natural one, so it's not too heavy on my eyes, and it will complement my lash too. And this going with this is the eyelashes, the one for the under eye. Is it? I think it's for the lower lash. It still look quite big like this, but I guess you use it for your bottom lash. It's all in Chinese, I don't know. Okay, I'll try that later. But I'm hoping I like this one because this one the one I expected more. This one maybe is for the lower lashes. If you guys know, let me know. Okay, this one is all my makeup skincare stuff, so this is the Etude House Lip and Eyes Makeup Remover. I tried this one before and I feel like it removes like 99% of my waterproof mascara and waterproof eyeliner, so it's worked really well. I would recommend you guys try this and then buy this, and it's really cheap too. It's like very affordable for anyone who wants to really use a good makeup remover. But this only like for eyes and for lips, not for face, so don't try to put it on your face, okay? This one is 200 ml. I buy a big bottle, so. And next one is, oh, I heard about this brand like long time ago. BBA, I think so. That's how you read it, right? So I heard this is a very popular Korean brand, and I never tried it before. I feel like it's super cheap and it's like too cheap for my liking. I feel like you pay for what you get. So if it's cheap, then it may not be good. But because I see too many people like other YouTubers using it, beauty bloggers use it, and they like it a lot, so I must try. It's called BBA Auto Gel Eyeliner, and I bought it in color 05 Soul Brown. Wow, it's very like a soft, very smooth, and it's waterproof. It's very smooth. I'm surprised, so I want to try it out and let you guys know if it works. It's very nice brown. Next one is the one I most wanted to buy again. This is called the same cover protection tip concealer, and this brand I used it before. I bought it like 3 different colors of this concealer, and at first I didn't like it, but the more I use it, the better it's become, and it's a really nice one. And so my everyday one is the NARS the concealer, NARS concealer, the one that's very famous already, but it's kind of expensive, and because I use every day, so it's like gone really quick, like really fast, and I need to get something that's more affordable, and I can use it, rebuy it, restock it every time, not feeling guilty about spending too much money. So this is my second option. If you want to try it, you should, because it's the second best in my list. So I bought it in this color 1.25, so this is to brighten up your skin, the darker area, and I bought my color is 1.5. It's like it will really match my skin tone, not too light, not too dark. And they also have 1.75 and 2. It's kind of like different shade darker. If you like have that darker skin, then you can try it too. Next one is Benton Honest Lash Serum. This brand, I don't know too much about this brand, but it's like one day I saw a review video, and it's like most recommended. Well, recommended brand for lash growing. So like lash serum will take care of your lashes and make it grow longer and stronger. So sometimes, you know, when you curl your lashes and it's like the color going too harsh, and it's like cooling out your lashes, especially the one that not really strong and it's easily fall off. So I want to find something that is affordable and is help my lashes stronger and growing longer, so you don't have to use for lashes. And I saw this brand, I just read all the review, and it said that like 9 out of 10 said they have the result, they see result. They say they give you like a measuring kind of ruler to see if your lashes is growing too. If your lashes is growing, and then yeah, I never tried it before, but maybe it's gonna help, and you're gonna see the difference with my lashes within the next month. This one also I have some. This one is like a brow color. It's help color your eyebrow. So since some of you guys know that Asian like us, we don't have like a natural, don't have like eyebrow color, because you know your hair is dark and your eyebrow is going to be dark too. So sometimes when you want to do like a very glowy and like a Korean line makeup look, and you want to make your face look younger, the eyebrow, if you put a little bit like a shade lighter, then you will see your face different. It's almost like brightening your face, and it's help you see, not just like, I think I like my eyebrow a little like 1 or 2 shades lighter. That's why I choose this one, like Peri Peri. So I use this brand for a while. I know this brand a while. I use some of their products now, like lipstick, and I like it. So this time I'm gonna try now their Speedy Skinny Brow Mascara in color number 4, Ash Brown. Next one is this brand too cool for school. This brand, I have a bronze palette, so you have like a 3-color bronzer to help you shape your face, and I love this brand because it's really affordable, and my sister just kind of got a new blush on them too, so it's like, yeah, we like them. This time I'm trying out their brown pencil, eyebrow pencil. This in the shade of number 3, Natural Brown. Almost a shape like a triangle instead of like a micro brown. This one is more like a You know the one from Benefit, they have something like it too. So I love the brand, and similar to the other one, I love the brand, but they're quite expensive, and it's like you use it every day and you don't want to put a lot of money into the too high-end products, like too expensive products. So you want something that you can restock every time. That's why I'm trying to find a new brand that can go along with me for a while, and or try something new, so I can find something cheap and more affordable to use every day. Next is
You talk like you didn't just walk out my
I
life.
see. So the BBA one, I thought about one, but instead I bought two, like two eyeliner pencil. One is in so brown and one is 09 rose gold. Let's see.
Do I deserve more, or do you deserve better? And why does it
Let's see
have
how's
to
the
be
rose gold color
one or
too.
the other? I hope that you find someone I could.
It's really nice. So you can use this color for the under eye, like under eye area, like this area, to make it brighter. So it's like a highlighter for your eyes. Really nice color. It's not too clear, it's like a sheer color, a nice sheer. Next is I bought another eyeshadow palette of Daisy. You know, what I have, I think the collection, and I already have 3 or 4 or 5 of the palette, and I like it. But this one is a blush palette. So the can be very cute pink, like new pink, very pink, but very like easy to use. So I think you can use pretty much any color every day. Wow. I have quite a clear skin. Wow, very natural, cute pinkish palette. I think I like it. It does look quite similar to each other. It's like, I think on the screen you may not see the difference, but in my hand I think it's showing a different shade, like a lighter shade of pink.
Give it some time, but I'm still getting used to the fact.
So I'm going to use this blush for my New Year makeup look coming up. So hopefully you guys will watch that video. And last but not least, this one is the one that I waited too long to get. And this foundation is called X4. X4 is also a Korean waterproof brand, and they make a lot of nice products. But mainly I use the lipstick, and I really like the texture of the lipstick. So this time I saw a review about this one, the foundation, and it's like hype up around. So a lot of people talk about this product, so I just wanted to buy to try to see if it's like a real things that people are really excited about. Let's look at this. So this bottle is like a matte finish, or like a suede kind of velvety finish with the red cap, and it's that Rose Taylor Be Velvet liquid foundation. So I have quite a few foundation already. I've been using more of the cushion. So the cushion I use also from Korean brands, and I like them a lot. So this time I want to see if I'm gonna like this one too. So I guess take a little. Because the color I bought is oh, I forgot the shade. 23 is, I think it's the darkest shade.
I wish I had loved you a little bit less, then maybe the scale would have tipped. But I'm still obsessed.
Look,
so go on and
so it has nice warm coverage, like medium coverage. It's not too heavy. I think it will be a nice base, nice color for my makeup. Like, I think it will match my skin.
She sent a pen and she had me. I'm at a crib, sweating like a track me. Party like an athlete, sit in the backseat, cruising through the city in the sprinter like a taxi. She sent a pen and she
So there's the color compared to my hair. This one is more like having this hair a little bit more of one tone, and is color pretty okay. I guess if you want more coverage, you can do some. You can layer it up like a little by little to build the coverage. But I think it's really nice. Let's try it really fast. A really nice velvet texture, just like the description. Well, I think it will match my skin very, very well. It's gonna give me the a nice matte coverage, and you can put on top of it a layer of the powder, fresh powder, or the loose powder to make sure it keeps the makeup stay all day. But other than that, I will try this on everything out. Basically, everything is my first time trying, except the same tip concealer. If you want to try, you should get a color for yourself and see if I was inspired about a very good concealer compared to the NARS one. So, okay, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye and good night.